Yo, what's up everybody? It's Mac, and I'm super excited to have you here today. Let's be real, who doesn't want to be rich, right? We all dream about it. We see those Lambos and mansions, and we think, I want that. It's a universal dream. But getting there? That's the tricky part. It's not as straightforward as it seems. The good news is, becoming wealthy is less about luck and more about avoiding some huge mistakes. In this video, we're diving into 7 things that are silently draining your bank account and holding you back from that dream life. So, grab a pen and paper because you'll want to take notes. Trust me, these tips can change your financial future. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial game, this video is for you. Look, we all need money to survive, right? It's a basic necessity. We need it to pay our bills, buy food, and take care of our families. But if that's the only thing driving you, you're gonna burn out fast. The constant grind, the endless hours, it all takes a toll on your mental and physical health. Think bigger. What gets you pumped? What makes you jump out of bed in the morning? What are you passionate about? What problems do you want to solve? What impact do you want to make in the world? These are the questions that should drive you. Chase passion, not just paychecks. When you follow your passion, work doesn't feel like work. It feels like a calling. When you're genuinely excited about what you do, the money follows, and you'll actually enjoy the journey. Success becomes a byproduct of your enthusiasm and dedication. Trust me, grinding away at a job you hate just to make a few bucks, it's soul-crushing. It drains your energy and leaves you feeling empty. That's a recipe for misery, not millions. So, find what you love, pursue it with all your heart, and let the money come as a natural consequence of your passion and hard work. Ever heard the saying, all flash, no cash? Yeah, tons of people fall into this trap. They want to look rich, so they blow their money on fancy cars, designer clothes, and lavish vacations. But here's the kicker, they're usually drowning in debt. Don't be fooled by appearances. True wealth is about building assets, investing smart, and creating a secure future, not impressing strangers on Instagram. Listen up, entrepreneurs. I used to think I had to handle everything solo, but that's a recipe for burnout. You've got to learn to delegate. Identify your weaknesses and find talented people who can rock those tasks. Think of it like a superhero team. You need different skills to conquer the world. Focus on your strengths, build a killer team, and watch your business soar. Too many inputs equals zero focus. We live in a world of constant information overload, right? Social media, news, emails, it never stops. But all that noise can seriously mess with your focus. You're pulled in a million directions, trying to keep up with everything and end up achieving nothing. Block out the distractions. Limit your social media. Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails and create a clear plan for your day. Focus is your superpower. Ditch the ego, grow your bank account. Nobody's perfect, and that's okay. But if you let your ego run wild, you'll miss out on huge opportunities for growth. Be open to feedback, even if it stings a little. Embrace challenges and be willing to learn from your mistakes. Remember, every successful person has failed at some point. It's how you bounce back that truly matters. Stay humble, stay hungry, and always be learning. Stop blaming others. Listen, life throws curveballs. Things go wrong. It's easy to point fingers and blame others for our setbacks, but that's a victim mentality. Successful people take ownership of their lives. They acknowledge their mistakes, learn from them, and move forward. Don't waste energy dwelling on things you can't control. Focus on what you can control. Your actions, your attitude, and your work ethic. Adapt or die. Seriously, the world is changing faster than ever before. Technology, industries, everything's evolving at warp speed. If you're stuck in your ways, resistant to change, you're gonna get left behind. Embrace new technologies, learn new skills, and always be willing to adapt. The moment you stop learning is the moment you stop growing. Stay curious, stay flexible, and stay ahead of the curve. You got this. Remember, every step you take is a step closer to your dreams. So there you have it, guys. We've covered some crucial points today. 7 things to ditch if you want to unlock that next level wealth. It's all about making those tough decisions. Remember, it's not just about the money. It's about the journey, the impact you make, and the growth you experience along the way. And hey, while you're at it, please like and subscribe. Peace. Stay motivated and keep pushing forward. And I'll catch you in the next one.